Hi everybody, today 16 March we will do a revision on chapters 1 and 3 by solving two exercises of the mid-year exam. So the first exercise is to calculate the following expressions A, B, C, D, E and F. So I will start by expression A. So the first step is to solve inside the parentheses. We have two parentheses and a big bracket. In the first parentheses we have minus 9 plus 11, which is replaced by plus 2. In the second parentheses 3 power 2 minus 2 power 3 is 9 minus 8. In the big brackets we have 5 power 2, which is 25. 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 2 plus 5 is 4 plus 5, which is equals to plus 9. And 3 power 2 is 9, 7 power 2 is 49. A third step is to solve also inside the parentheses. So 9 minus 8 is 1. Here inside this big bracket 3 minus 25 plus 4 times plus 9. We need to do first the multiplication. So plus 4 times plus 9 is plus 36. Then we have 3 minus 25 plus 36, which is equals to plus 49. Minus 5 times 9 plus 49, we do the multiplication. So minus 5 times 9 is minus 45, plus 49 minus 7. Now we have multiplication, addition and subtraction. So we do the multiplication first. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 minus 5 times plus 14. 5 minus 5 times plus 14. We do the multiplication first. So 5 remains the same. Then minus 5 times plus 14 is replaced by minus 70. Minus 45 plus 49 minus 7. And then the answer is minus 61. In expression B, we have plus, division, and parentheses. So we need first to solve inside this parentheses. 1 minus 2 over 5, we have fractions, so we need to do a common denominator. 1 is over 1. So a common denominator between 1 and 5 is the LCM between 1 and 5, which is 5. So we need to multiply 1 by 5, so we have 5 minus 2 times 1, which is 2, so 5 minus 2 over 5. Then this fraction, 5 minus 2 is 3, so this parentheses is 3 over 5. And in order to replace this division by multiplication, we replace it by multiplication, but we need to reverse the denominator and the numerator. So we will get 8 over 3 plus 5 times is replaced by, the division is replaced by times. And then the fraction is 5 over 3 instead of 3 over 5. So now multiplying 5 by 5 over 3, so 5 is over 1. Multiplying two fractions by each other, 5 times 5 is 25, 1 times 3 is 3. These two fractions have same denominator, so we know you don't need to take a common denominator. So over 3, then 8 plus 5 plus 25 is 33, and the answer is 11, dividing by 3 the numerator and the denominator. Expression E, we have parentheses, multiplication, addition. So first solve inside the parentheses. 2 over 3 minus 5 over 2. A common denominator between 3 and 2 is the LCM is between 3 and 2, which is 6. So the first fraction, we multiply the first fraction by 2, and then we multiply the second fraction by 3. So we will have over 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 3 is 15. Times 9 over 4 plus 1 over 2. Then 4 minus 15 is minus 11. So we will have minus 11 over 6 times 9 over 9 times 9 over 4 plus 1 over 5. Now we have multiplication, subtraction, addition. We do the multiplication first, of course. Two fractions multiplied by each other, we multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators alone. So minus 11 times 9 is minus 99. 6 times 4 is 24 plus 1 over 2. Now we have two fractions, so we need to take a common denominator between 24 and 2. So the LCM, or the common denominator between 24 and 2, is 24. So we need to multiply the second fraction by 12. So we will have over 24 minus 99 plus 1 times 12 is 12. Then minus 99 plus 12 is minus 87 over 24. Dividing by 3 the numerator and the denominator, you will get minus 29 over 8. Please solve C, D, and F as an homework after the revision. Exercise number 2. In exercise number 2, I will solve part 1 in this video, and in the second video I will solve part 2 and 3. So in part 1, the question is to write n and t in the form of product of prime factors. So we have n squared equals to this expression, and we need to write n. We have t power 3, and we need to write t. So we will start by n. We have n squared equals 2 power 6 times 3 power 8 times 7 power 10. 2, 3, 7 are prime numbers. So we don't need to write these numbers in the form of prime factors because they are already prime numbers. So in order to write n, we need to divide these the powers of these prime numbers by 2. So we have n squared equals 2 power 6 times 3 power 8 times 7 power 10. Then this power should be divided by 2, implies n equals 6 divided by 2 is 3, 8 divided by 2 is 4, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now we have t power 3 is equals to 8 power 2 times 9 times 2 times 12 power 4. So 8, 9 and 12 are not prime numbers. So the first step is to write the prime decomposition, or to write these numbers in the form of prime factors 8, 9 and 12. So 8 is equals to 2 power 3, 9 is equals to 3 power 2, 12 is equals to 2 power 2 times 3. Now replace these numbers by the prime decomposition. So we have 8 power 2, then 8 is replaced by 2 power 3, so you will have 2 power 3 to the power 2. 9 is 3 power 2. We have 12 power 4, so 12 is replaced by 2 power 3 times 3 to the power 4. Now a second step is to cancel the parentheses by multiplying the powers by each other. So 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, 1 times 4 is 4. Now same basis, add the powers. We have 2 power 6, 2 power 1, 2 power 8, so add 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 6 is 15. So we have 2 power 15 times 3 power 2 times 3 power 4. We have, so 4 plus 2 is 6, so times 3 power 6. So t power 3 is equals to 2 power 15 times 3 power 6. The question is to write t in the form of prime factors. So you need to divide the powers by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then the answer is t equals to 2 power 5 times 3 power 2. So please try to solve G, H, I and L, and we will solve them in the next